The icing is ready. The cake's out of the oven. This one actually cooked for 24 minutes. It's perfect. I've let it sit here for a minute or two just to take a little bit of the heat off. And I'm gonna pour some of the frosting on the end, plain, without the nuts, because I'm gonna take my brother a couple pieces. This cake freezes very, very well, and it's especially good warmed up with some good vanilla ice cream on it. So you see that's just pouring over there. Now I'm gonna add my walnuts, you add pecans, whatever you want. Stir those in, and that's going over the rest of the cake because this is Chick's favorite birthday cake, and he likes the nuts in it. So the majority of it will have the nuts. And you just pour it right over. And as you can see, it just spreads out beautifully. Plenty of good, rich, cooked frosting. And listen, we started this about, 12:25, and we're done. It's 1 o'clock. So you can see this is very quick, easy. It serves a lot of people. And if you're quarantining like we all are with the virus situation, then just make it, freeze it, pull it out whenever everything gets better, and you'll be ready when company drops over. So there you go, all done. Happy birthday, okay? And I'll show you, this is my cookbook, 𝙎𝙧𝙖𝙧 chocolate sheet cake. We'll give you a recipe for it, and we'll put that out there. Good luck.